Some of the world's most unforgettable trees can fit on a small display table. You know they are small. You can see the pot. You can measure the trunk with your hands. And yet, something feels strangely different. The tree doesn't feel miniature. It feels immense, ancient, almost as though you're standing beneath it, instead of looking down at it. Why does something so small leave the impression of something so much larger? The answer isn't found in height, or width, or age alone. Great bonsai create something far more powerful. They create scale. Every root, every section of the trunk, every branch, every empty space, quietly works together, until our minds stop seeing a small tree, and begin imagining an entire landscape. That is why bonsai is never judged by size alone. It is judged by what it allows us to imagine. Today, we'll explore 3 remarkable bonsai that reveal this illusion in completely different ways. A Japanese white pine, whose quiet strength makes a small tree feel monumental. A Japanese maple, whose perfect proportions create extraordinary depth. And a hornbeam, whose intricate branches transform a miniature tree into the image of an entire forest. 3 different species, 3 different approaches, 1 remarkable illusion, the illusion of scale. At first glance, this bonsai doesn't appear unusually large. It sits quietly in a shallow pot. Its height is modest. Its footprint is surprisingly small. And yet, something about it feels monumental. It doesn't invite us to look down. It makes us feel as though we're looking up. The trunk rises with quiet confidence. Every branch carries weight. Every space feels intentional. Somehow, this miniature tree gives us the impression of standing before a giant. The illusion begins long before we notice the needles. Our eyes first read the foundation. A wide, stable root base. A trunk that gradually narrows as it rises. Branches arranged with balance rather than symmetry. Dense foliage forming broad, layered masses. None of these elements are impressive on their own. But together, they convince us that this tree belongs to a much larger landscape. In bonsai, true scale is never measured by centimeters. It is measured by proportion, by the relationship between every part of the tree. Japanese white pine reminds us that greatness is rarely about physical size. It is about presence, the quiet confidence of perfect proportion, the feeling that every part belongs exactly where it should. But strength alone cannot create the illusion of a giant. Our next bonsai reveals another secret. Sometimes, distance itself can be created inside a tree. Unlike the Japanese white pine, the Japanese maple doesn't impress us through visual weight. It does something far more subtle. It creates distance. At first, we notice the graceful canopy, then the delicate branches beneath it. Layer after layer, the tree slowly reveals itself. It feels less like a miniature tree and more like a full-grown maple, standing quietly at the edge of a distant landscape. Somehow, the tree feels farther away than it actually is. One of the greatest strengths of the Japanese maple is not found in its leaves. It is found in the spaces between them. Every branch divides into smaller branches. Those branches divide again, until a delicate network begins to emerge. This fine ramification softens the outline of the tree, while creating remarkable visual depth. Throughout the seasons, the same structure tells different stories. Spring reveals fresh growth. Summer builds a full canopy. Autumn transforms the tree with color. Winter removes every leaf, leaving only the architecture behind. And it is that architecture that convinces our eyes we are looking at a mature tree in nature. Japanese maple reminds us that scale isn't created by size alone. Sometimes, it is created by distance, by giving our imagination room to wander beyond the edge of the pot. But there is one final illusion, perhaps the most convincing of them all. A tree whose countless branches no longer resemble a single tree, but an entire forest. There is something unusual about a mature hornbeam bonsai. It rarely asks us to admire one single feature. Not the trunk, not the leaves, not even the branches. Instead, our eyes begin to wander from one branch to another, from one layer to the next, until the tree no longer feels like a single living organism. It begins to resemble something much larger. A woodland, a hillside, an entire forest, quietly compressed into one bonsai. hornbeam creates scale through complexity. Every primary branch divides into smaller branches. Those branches divide again and again. Over many years, this intricate network becomes remarkably refined. During winter, when every leaf has fallen, nothing is left to hide the structure. What remains is an architecture of countless fine lines. Our eyes no longer follow a single branch. They travel through the entire canopy, and in doing so, the bonsai begins to feel far larger than its true dimensions. Not because it occupies more space, but because it offers more to explore. Japanese white pine taught us that strength creates presence. Japanese maple revealed that proportion creates distance. And hornbeam reminds us that complexity creates scale. Perhaps that is why the greatest bonsai are never admired for their size. They are remembered for the landscapes they awaken in our imagination. Throughout this journey, something remarkable happened. The trees never became taller. The pots never became larger. Nothing about their physical size changed. And yet, our perception did. A Japanese white pine taught us that quiet strength can feel monumental. A Japanese maple revealed how proportion creates distance. And a hornbeam showed us how countless fine branches can suggest an entire woodland. The trees remained the same. Only the way we looked at them changed. Perhaps that is the quiet brilliance of bonsai. It never tries to recreate an entire mountain. It never copies an entire forest. Instead, it suggests them. A single trunk can remind us of an ancient pine standing against the wind. A delicate canopy can recall a maple deep within a peaceful valley. A network of fine branches can awaken the memory of an entire woodland. Bonsai does not ask us to admire what is present. It invites us to imagine what lies beyond it. Perhaps that is why the greatest bonsai are never remembered for their measurements. They are remembered for the worlds they allow us to imagine. Thank you for joining us on Ethereal Bonsai. If you enjoy discovering the hidden stories behind the world's most remarkable bonsai, subscribe and join us as we continue exploring the trees that transform nature into timeless stories, one bonsai at a time.